Hey guys, welcome you myself Nikun. In this video, we will knowing success story of Karshanbhai Patel, CMD of Nirma Group. The man behind, named Karshanbhai Kholidas Patel, born in 1945, Rupur, Mehsana, Gujarat. Education BSc and Chemistry. Work experience first in the New Cotton Mills, Ahmedabad, and then employed in the Geology and Mining Department of the state government. Current position CMD of Nirma Group. Award winning in 1990 the Federation of Association of Small Scale Industries of India New Delhi Award Udyog Ratna Award. In 2001 doctorate by Florida Atlantic University. In 2010 Padma Shri Award for the year 2010. Nirma is a group of companies based in the Ahmedabad. It manufactures cosmetic soaps, detergent, salt, soda, ash and etc. Today Nirma Group total 25,000 employees and turnover of 20,500 crore. After the death of his daughter, in her memory, this man started his own washing powder company by her name. Based on in BSc Chemistry degree, he built this washing powder in his own backyard. He did door-to-door selling every day before and after his office hours. He continued in this fashion for nearly 3 years, during which he got a chance to build his consumer base and also improve his product. In 1969, where Hindustan Unilever Surf was sold at ₹13, this man was selling his washing powder for just ₹3.50, making middle class people very happy. In 1972, he finally quit his full-time job and opened a small shop in Ahmedabad. In the state of Gujarat, India, from her on this product spread like wildfire. As and when his work increased, he kept hiring salesmen and workers. But outside Gujarat, the product faced a lot of challenges as the retailers used to take the product on credit. And when the salesmen used to come for collection, the retailers used to postpone the payment dates. That time, among big giants, the local detergent was not even able to survive. And slowly the sales graph started falling. As this man ordered all his team members to either ask retailer to clear the payments or just collect all the product from them. Competitors and retailers were shocked to see this local detergent product to disappear overnight. During the period, India was developing at a great speed and television were becoming more common in every house. As soon as he got all his goods back, he invested all his money in running in an advertisement on TV for one whole month. The advertisement created such a big impact that every middle class man wanted to buy this detergent. People started visiting general store daily demanding this local detergent, but it wasn't available anywhere. Retailers got very upset because this man has stopped all his supplies to them. And on the other side, people were increasingly demanding the same detergent. During this situation, the man organized a team meeting, and while he decided to continue the supply of his detergent, he also handed them with a terms and condition paper in the nostril. It was written the henceforth. A company will not give any product on credit and will only provide supplies. If the retailers make the payment on delivery, this decision changed the brand's image totally and the man joined the elite list of top businessmen. That man we are talking about is Karshanbhai Patel, and the promoter-driven company that started with his vision is Nirma Group. Today's Nirma Group has 25,000 employees as a turnover of approximately 20,500 crore. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.